Hey guys, today we're going to be playing with slime that I made. It's like blood all over the table. If my assistant, Kaylin, my sister, can get it up high and show you guys, you can actually get a good glimpse of where it is on the table. Okay, right now I'm just getting out the slime. It might just take a little, but please just watch until I say done. Okay, hey guys, done. Now, what you want to do with slime is mix it, mix it. Look at that.
It's actually good.
No, it's actually slime that I made. I made it. No wonder why it's so sticky. Actually took like not that long. I made it like, it's not like slime, it's goop. But like I bought like the ingredients and I made my own goop that farts. I didn't get it from the dollar store. And then my friend gave me his old containers from his, and I made it in container. And what slime looks like when you're playing with it and it's all bloody. My slime. Best slime ever. Kaylin, can you please the camera facing up so you can go grab a paper, like a cloth or something, or a paper napkin, so when I'm done I can wash my hands and clean off the table, because it's really hot. What I love doing is washing my hands in it, in the slime, so the slime is used to your hands, you watch, and it loves sticking to you. See? And then, sorry guys, I need my lid, lid number one, scoops it into the middle of the table. Sorry guys. I think my slime might be garbage because I left it out. So I might want to just clean it up quickly. And this is my YouTube. I'll give you the instructions how to get onto our account.
Don't listen.
So watch this vid, not like hack into it, but sorry, just wait.
He's doing it after his video.
Look at this slime, it just doesn't want to listen.
I'll get some.
Look, I'm a frog monster. I know I'm wasting slime, but it's worth it. What you can do with it on your hands, fidget toy until you clean it.
Uncle Dusty.
aren't fully fledged. Sundays like that.
No, he was talking to Uncle Bill. When it's on video,
Stovetop per shop.
it's Karen. This is my brother. He's just cleaning it up. He wants to be a magic trick.
Wow,
What I'm saying. Listen.
you got 2 Thanksgivings.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Cleaned up my slime. And it's all clean. I might have to throw it out after, but and now
There's 7
Done.
pieces of fish here. There's 2 in the fridge. There's 9.
okay, guys, come here. Please come on.
Pork kids. 2, 4,
Guys,
5.
I'm washing my hands. I'm washing my hands because that time was messy. Sorry, wait.
Tula, get chocolate. Tula, get
Milk
chocolate.
too, I guess.
One trick, if you have sun stuck on your hands, you need warm water, rinse it, soap, rinse, clean your hands,
Come on.
dry it all,
Yeah, I don't know what you did with the things.
and done. And come on, guys.
So,
And we are the Brooklyn and Isaiah, slime making, and Kaylin and Gavin, slime making. Please, if you want slime, just comment down below. Comment down below, and please like and comment and subscribe. And whoever the winner is, subscribe to. Well, subscribe at the bottom and hit the bell at the top. And please like beside the subscribe. And comment at the very bottom. Thank you.
No, we're not done. Whoever wins this competition, Well, whoever wins of our choice gets that slime that we're going to make.
And it's going to be special.
No.
Good luck.
Okay. What you're freaking out about?
Okay, now
Okay.
do another video.